Have you ever wondered if you could achieve a naturally lifted, sculpted, and youthful face without relying on invasive procedures, expensive treatments, or endless skincare products? Face yoga, combined with gentle sculpting massage, has been gaining popularity as an effective and holistic way to enhance facial contours, improve skin elasticity, and promote relaxation. By engaging in a daily face yoga routine, you can transform not just your facial appearance, but also your overall well-being. The human face, composed of over 40 muscles, is just like any other part of the body. It benefits from targeted exercises, improved circulation, and regular movement. Face yoga harnesses this principle by activating and toning facial muscles, improving blood flow, and reducing tension, leading to a natural facelift over time. One of the most compelling benefits of daily face yoga is its ability to lift and sculpt the face naturally. Unlike traditional anti-aging treatments that may involve injections, surgeries, or chemical-laden skincare products, face yoga works by strengthening and engaging facial muscles in a way that enhances their tone and firmness. By consistently practicing exercises that target specific areas, such as the cheeks, forehead, jawline, and neck, individuals can notice a visible improvement in skin tightness and facial definition. Over time, this helps counteract sagging, which occurs due to aging and decreased collagen production, giving the face a firmer and more youthful appearance. Many people who commit to face yoga report that their faces look naturally lifted, as though they have undergone a non-surgical facelift. In addition to its sculpting effects, face yoga is known to reduce wrinkles and fine lines by promoting increased circulation and collagen production. Fine lines and wrinkles often develop due to repetitive facial expressions, stress, and the natural aging process. By engaging in exercises that stretch and relax these overworked muscles, individuals can reduce the depth and appearance of wrinkles, particularly in areas like the forehead, around the eyes, and near the mouth. The massaging component of face yoga also stimulates blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients reach skin cells more efficiently. This process not only smooths out existing wrinkles, but also helps prevent new ones from forming, making the skin appear more supple and youthful over time. Beyond its aesthetic benefits, face yoga has a profound impact on the overall health of the skin. One of the most noticeable changes that practitioners experience is an enhanced glow. This is primarily due to improved blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients directly to the skin, encouraging a brighter, more radiant complexion. Many people who practice face yoga daily find that their skin becomes naturally healthier, with a dewy and refreshed look, reducing the need for excessive makeup or skincare products. The increased circulation also improves lymphatic drainage, which helps the body remove toxins and reduces puffiness, particularly around the eyes and cheeks. This process ensures that the skin remains detoxified and refreshed, contributing to a clearer and more even complexion. Another significant benefit of face yoga is its ability to relieve facial tension and stress. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety manifest in many ways, including through tightness in the forehead, jaw, and around the eyes. Many individuals unknowingly carry stress in their facial muscles, leading to tension headaches, jaw clenching, and even premature wrinkles. Face yoga provides a natural remedy by incorporating exercises and massage techniques that release stored tension, encouraging relaxation and mindfulness. By consciously working to relax these areas, practitioners often experience a sense of calm, similar to the effects of meditation. This practice not only benefits the appearance of the face, but also promotes overall mental well-being, making it a perfect addition to a daily self-care routine. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. One of the most common concerns people have as they age is the development of under-eye bags and puffiness. Face yoga offers an effective solution by stimulating lymphatic drainage and increasing blood circulation around the eyes. Gentle tapping motions and targeted exercises encourage the movement of excess fluids, reducing swelling and diminishing dark circles. By integrating these techniques into a daily routine, individuals can achieve a more awake, refreshed, and youthful appearance without relying on concealers or other cosmetic products to mask the problem. For those looking to define their jawline and reduce the appearance of a double chin, face yoga is an excellent tool. Many exercises specifically target the muscles under the chin and along the jawline, strengthening and tightening these areas. When performed regularly, these movements help create a sharper and more contoured jawline, reducing the accumulation of excess fat and skin in the lower face. By incorporating daily facial exercises, it is possible to naturally sculpt and tone the jaw area, achieving results that many would seek through cosmetic procedures. Another important benefit of face yoga is its ability to promote relaxation and mindfulness. In a world filled with stressors, taking a few minutes each day to engage in face yoga provides a much-needed moment of self-care. The combination of gentle stretching, massage, and focused breathing encourages relaxation, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Many individuals find that their daily face yoga practice becomes a meditative experience, allowing them to disconnect from external pressures and focus on self-care. The benefits extend beyond just the face, as this practice encourages overall relaxation, helping to alleviate tension in the neck and shoulders as well. Engaging in mindful breathing and gentle facial exercises creates a sense of balance and calm, improving not just physical appearance, but also emotional well-being. Unlike traditional workout routines, face yoga is incredibly easy to incorporate into daily life. It requires no special equipment, can be performed anywhere, and takes only a few minutes each day. Whether practiced in the morning as a wake-up routine, during a break at work, or as part of a nighttime relaxation ritual, face yoga offers flexibility and convenience. The key to seeing results lies in consistency. Regular practice ensures that facial muscles remain toned, circulation remains optimal, and skin remains refreshed. Over time, individuals who commit to face yoga experience long-lasting benefits, including a more youthful, sculpted, and glowing complexion. For those looking to enhance their results, incorporating a face massage with natural oils or tools like jade rollers and gua sha stones can further amplify the effects. These tools help to improve circulation, relax the muscles, and promote lymphatic drainage, ensuring that the skin remains firm and radiant. Many individuals find that pairing face yoga with these techniques leads to even more noticeable improvements, creating a well-rounded and effective beauty ritual. By combining face yoga with a holistic skincare approach, individuals can achieve remarkable results without the need for invasive treatments. Ultimately, face yoga is more than just an exercise routine. It is a holistic practice that nurtures both physical and mental well-being. The benefits extend far beyond aesthetics, promoting relaxation, mindfulness, and a deeper connection with oneself. As more people seek natural and sustainable ways to maintain their youthful glow, face yoga stands out as a powerful tool for achieving long-term beauty and confidence. Whether the goal is to lift and sculpt, reduce wrinkles, brighten the skin, or simply unwind after a long day, daily face yoga offers a simple yet transformative solution. Embracing this practice can lead to lasting improvements, empowering individuals to take control of their beauty routine and enjoy a healthier, more radiant appearance for years to come. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.